Hey everybody, welcome to Bourbon Adventures. Today we're going to do a review of Glen River Single Barrel. So let's go grab the bottle and let's get in there and do our review. Alright everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've done a review video or any video on the channel, but it's been a little hectic the last year as far as moving and just trying to get everything all set back up. But now that we're in this little cold spell, I thought, well, why don't we do a review? So today we're going to do a review of the Green River Barrel Strength. This is a store pick from Bourbon Street in Northside in Grand Rapids, Michigan. It comes in at cast strength, 123.8 proof, 61.9% alcohol by volume. Let's see, on the back, doesn't have a mash bill or anything like that. Just says full body flavor from our favorite Rickhouse locations. Out of Owensboro, Kentucky. As you can see, I have tried it, but I haven't really reviewed it. Just tried it when I bought it. This bottle was $69.99, I believe. Got a good caramel oak. A little bit of brown sugar. Ooh, that's good. Definitely tastes the oakiness and the brown sugar. It's got definitely has the Rickhouse smell to it. Very good. It's got a little spice to it, and it could be because this is my first drink of the day, so it is gonna taste a little hotter. It does have a little bit of a, I mean, it's 123.8 proof, so it does have a little bit of a kick to it. Not real sure if it drinks 123. I think it drinks a little bit lower than that. Not much. I'd say run 110 and 115 is what it kind of drinks like. So if you're in Grand Rapids, Michigan, I think they still have a few bottles of this left at Bourbon Street at least. I'm not sure about Northside. I got mine at Bourbon Street, and that's where I get most of my bottles. And now that kind of got it set back up, I probably will do some more reviews. I've gotten a few bottles over the last couple months that I'd like to do a review. Maybe get Randy, who was in the video for one of the biking videos, get him in here and we can do a blind, and we'll make a video of the blind. But I want to get back into this. I've taken a little bit of a break, and I like doing these. I just, for some whatever reason, I just kind of got out of it. But now that I have some bottles that are either store picks or new to Michigan, I should say, also. But if you're in Grand Rapids, pick this one up. This is a good one. So with that, $69.99. Lots of caramel and brown sugar and oakiness. Everything up my alley. So until next time, I knew this is just going to be a short video just to get something out there and try something new. So, or not try something new, get back into what we were doing, I should say, or what I was doing. So with that, let's raise a glass. Cheers, and this will be to the next video. Hopefully it's not a year before I do another review. It won't be. I have plenty of bottles that I need to review. Cheers.